Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I tell you about the month of Zulhajj, festival of the sacrifice. Dhul Hijjah literally mean processor of pilgrimage or the month of the pilgrimage. During this month, Muslims, pilgrims from all around the world congregate at Makkah to visit the Kaaba. The Hajj is performed on the 8th, 9th and 10th of this month. Day of Arafah takes place on the 9th of the month. Eid al-Adha mean Eid al-Adha. The festival of the sacrifice begin on the 10th day and ends on the sunset of the 30th of this month. The month of Dhul Hijjah is blessed month, but its first 10 days are practically special, a time filled with rewards, blessings and significance. These days are considered sacred for both those individuals going to Hajj and those who are not. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him, said, "There are no days in which righteous deeds are more beloved to Allah than these 10 days." The people asked, "Not even jihad for the sake of Allah?" He said, "Not even jihad for the sake of Allah, except in the case of a man who went out to fight, giving himself and his wealth up for the cause and came back with nothing." Here are 3 things Muslims are strongly encouraged to do during the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah and the reward for it. Increase your zikr, remembrance of Allah during 10 days. Asking for forgiveness, increasing prayers, dua, and spiritual reflection are strongly encouraged during this time. Number 2, give extra sadaqah, voluntarily charity. During this time, every good deed is rewarded 700 times. Imagine donating $10 and having Allah reward you with $7,000. Number 3 is fast. Muslims are urged to fast any or all of the first 10 days Dhul Hijjah. Even each days in these 10 days, Allah rewards the Muslims who fast as if they had fasted a whole year. But those who fast on the 9th day, the day of Arafah, will have their reward doubled. Fasting that day will bring a reward as if the Muslim fasts 2 years. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "One fast during these days is equal to the fasting of one complete year, and the ownership of one night during this period is equal to the worship in the Laylatul Qadr." These are many virtues and blessings found in Dhul Hijjah, and the most in the first 10 days. We do not know which of us will be alive to see this one next year. As such, we must frequently and eagerly devote ourselves to remembrance of Allah. Thank you. for watching and listening.